Hi! I'm back with another December vlog, and so I just got home from work, and so I realized that I did not check my cheesecakes. Went to the fridge, checked it with hubby, and guess what? They are amazing. And you probably asking yourself, what cheesecake, Chef? What cheesecake? Well, as somebody that doesn't have dairy often, and I say often because I will explain this in another video, I do not have regular cheesecake, and I'm gluten free, so those graham cracker crusts don't work for me. So in order to enjoy life like everybody else, we have had to come up with several ways to substitute and to also make recipes that we enjoy and to have fun like everybody else. And so we have learned to substitute the dairy ingredients and swap them out for a lot of plant-based ingredients, and my daughter is even less tolerant of dairy than I am, so we kind of have to. And we wanted to enjoy her childhood and experience all the things that we did, just altered, just in different ways, right? And that's the beauty of life. That's one of the things that I really love about life, is that there's so much variety, and we live on a planet where there is often 2, 3, 5, 10 versions or substitutes for things that you can't have. So I often tell persons, when you go gluten free or dairy free, it's not the end of the world. You are not going to culinary prison. You just have to find new ways and new ingredients to get the flavors, the textures, and the experience that you want or used to have. And so we made this recipe with chickpeas. Yes, chickpeas again, because what? They're neutral, high in protein, easy to come by, and relatively affordable. Well, very affordable to me. And we made this cheesecake. It has a blueberry compote on the top, and it's also made with almonds. We bought a whole bag of almonds, and we toasted them up and we made the crust. So if you want to see how I did this, if you have a dairy intolerance or somebody you know, and you want to do this as a gift to them or yourself, stick around and you can see how we went about doing this particular cheesecake. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe to The Rich Dimension if you want to get more fun tidbits, more information. Go ahead, like and subscribe. As I said, stick around if you want to see the recipe. And yeah, and so we went to this nice little place called Taste It out there in Frigate Bay, and it usually carries some of the best products straight out of Europe. Amazing cheeses, all natural, many of them direct from Italy or France. And guess what? We went to look chickpeas, but here they have a whole spread because Taste It was doing a tasting, and we had a really good time. They even gave us some gluten-free crackers, which are absolutely delicious. I think those are out of Italy as well, and they tasted so amazing. We usually pop in to get gluten-free pasta and certain treats, but today they got us to try not only wine, we also tried some cheeses. And we usually don't have cheese because whenever we do have it, we get a lot of mucus, and my daughter actually gets sick. So she didn't try the cheese, but we decided to try it. And guess what? I am amazed at how amazing they tasted. I had the brie especially, and it was so delicious. We ended up buying a little piece and taking it home for us. See? You can try it on your cracker?
I like that. Tastes like honey. You like it?
Wow. This is so pretty, right? But can't have it.
But you can have it.